Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you can actually just scroll and then you can see that there is no CapCut template in here. There is actually some reasons for that. First reason is the actual video that you're actually watching is not a CapCut template or CapCut trend. So what you can do instead is you can head over and click on the search bar right here, and then try to search in here for CapCut. Then from in there, you should be able to see this CapCut right here, and when you try to click on one video that they have, you should be able to see the CapCut try this template right here. But in some cases, if you don't still see it, what you can do next is you can head over to your actual Play Store, and then from in here, click on the search bar, search in here for TikTok. And in here, just click on the TikTok, and if there's an update, make sure to click on the update button right here in order to successfully update your TikTok. Once you have done that, you should be able to see the CapCut template instead of just a plain video. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!